Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 24 pack of multi-purpose templates for PowerPoint, but these are protected. First you need subscription. For access of my all file, go to sherry.skpwd.com, and here 3-day membership, I mean 1 month, and here 90 days, and here lifetime membership plan. Okay, yes, one time payment for access of my all file for lifetime membership, and here 90 days, and here 30 days. Okay, and here 24 pack of PowerPoint templates with different categories. Here furniture PowerPoint category. I know you know how to customize in PowerPoint, and here food link. Next, brand strategy guide business PowerPoint template. Okay, and next, bride gift education. Here phone file, and you can customize in PowerPoint. Next, business. Same thing here, download link, business plan, presentation template, coffee shop, and here eid-mubarak-celebration, digital marketing PowerPoint templates. Here creative agency, and football sport, hockey sport, learning education, and Arwin furniture, marketing plan, and foundation, transport, photography, and portfolio PowerPoint. Nature mountain. All files are editable. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribers, take care. Allah Hafiz.